Hello students, I am Dr. Rajaram Dhok from Savitribai Phule Pune University affiliated Agricultural Development Trust Shardabai Pawar Mahila College Sharda Nagar Baramati. Let's start today's lecture on molecular orbital theory, lecture number 22. In this lecture, we learn about the MO energy level diagram of NO2 molecule. In the NO2 molecule, that is nitrogen dioxide. This NO2 molecule is heteronuclear triatomic molecule and it is formed by the combination of one nitrogen atom and two oxygen atoms. In the NO2 molecule, oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen. So we write the electronic configuration of nitrogen 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3, and electronic configuration of oxygen 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. So in the nitrogen and oxygen both atom, the 1s electron do not take part in the bond formation and it remains as a non-bonding. The molecular orbital diagram for NO2 molecule is obtained by valence electrons of nitrogen and oxygen only. The total number of electrons in the NO2 molecule is 17, and in that 17, 6 electrons is from the each oxygen atom and 5 electrons are from the nitrogen atom. Here the 2s orbital of oxygen and the electrons in that oxygen are so much lower energy, and because of that this 2s electron of oxygen not interact with the 2s electron of nitrogen, and so the 2s electrons of oxygen remains as a non-bonding. Now we see the MO energy level diagram of NO2 molecule. How that diagram is drawn. We see here, this is the pictorial representation of MO energy level diagram of NO2 molecule. In this diagram, at the left side, we show the nitrogen atomic orbital, that is 2s and 2p atomic orbitals. Then at the right side, we show the oxygen atomic orbital, that is 2s atomic orbital. There are two oxygen atoms, so we show here two oxygen atomic orbitals, 2s, 2s. Then 3p atomic orbitals of oxygen. So there are two oxygen atoms, so we show the 2p atomic orbitals two times. So in that 2p atomic orbitals, every atom contains 2px, 2py and 2pz. Now for the first oxygen atom, we give the notation 2pa, and for the second oxygen atom, we give the notation 2pb for our simplicity. Now here this 2s atomic orbital of oxygen, that is lower energy as compared with 2s atomic orbital of nitrogen, and because of that here energy difference is more, and so 2s of the nitrogen and 2s of the oxygen, they are not matching in energy, so 2s atomic orbital of oxygen remains as a non-bonding. So we show in this diagram these 2s atomic orbitals forms the molecular orbitals, and that is non-bonding molecular orbitals. Now 2s atomic orbital of nitrogen and one of the 2px atomic orbital of oxygen combines when wave functions are same, and it forms sigma 2s molecular orbitals. Now second sigma molecular orbital is formed by combination of 2px atomic orbital of nitrogen and second atom's oxygen 2px atomic orbital and forms sigma 2px molecular orbital. Now 2py of the nitrogen and 2py of one oxygen, it forms pi 2py molecular orbital. Then pz of the nitrogen and pz of the first oxygen atom, it forms pi 2pz molecular orbitals. Now here one atoms py and pz not take part in the bond formation because such type of symmetrical atomic orbital is not present in nitrogen. And so these two molecular orbitals remains as a non-bonding, and for that we give the names, that is pi n2py and pi n2pz. These are the two non-bonding molecular orbitals. Now in the anti-bonding molecular orbitals of NO2, like bonding, here molecular orbitals are formed, but only when wave functions are different, then these anti-bonding molecular orbitals form. So we see how they are formed. So 2px atomic orbital of nitrogen and 2px atomic orbital of oxygen, when its wave functions are same, then one sigma star 2px is formed and other sigma star 2s is formed. Similar ways, py of the nitrogen and py of the oxygen, it forms pi star 2py. pz of the nitrogen and pz of the oxygen, when wave functions are different, then it forms pi star 2pz. So in this way, here different molecular orbitals form. So total number of atomic orbital in the nitrogen and oxygen, that same number of molecular orbitals are formed in NO2 molecule. Now we see the filling of electron. So here this 2s atomic orbital of oxygen, it forms non-bonding molecular orbitals. So that electrons are filled here. Now 2 electrons from 2s of nitrogen and 3 electrons from 2p of the nitrogen, that is 5 electrons. And from every oxygen here 4 and 4, 8. So 8 and these 5, 13 electrons filled here. So sigma 2s contains 2 electron, sigma 2px contains 2 electron, pi 2py fills 2 electron, pi 2pz fills 2 electron, then non-bonding pi n2py and pi n2pz fills 2 electron each. Then one of the electron is filled in pi star 2py or pi star 2pz. So in this way, the total number of electrons filled in the molecular orbitals. So from that, we write the MO electronic configuration in NO2 molecule. So in the NO2 molecule, here the 1s orbitals remains as a non-bonding, and so we write in the electronic configuration KK. Then next electronic configuration, that is sigma 2s2, sigma 2px2, pi 2py2, pi 2pz2, pi n2py2, pi n2pz2 and pi star 2py1. Now we see the energy evolved during the formation of NO2 molecule. In the formation of NO2 molecule, energy evolved is calculated by simple formula that energy evolved E is equal to number of electron in bonding molecular orbital into minus beta plus number of electron in anti-bonding molecular orbital into plus beta. So in NO2 molecule orbitals, 8 electrons present in the bonding molecular orbital and it is multiplied by minus beta. 1 electron is present in anti-bonding molecular orbital. It is multiplied by plus beta. So by calculation, we get minus 8 beta plus 1 beta, that is equal to minus 7 beta. So minus 7 beta is energy evolved during the formation of NO2 molecule, and this is the stabilization energy of NO2 molecule. So we say that here NO2 molecule is stable because it shows minus 7 beta energy. We can calculate the bond order in NO2 molecule. The bond order means the number of bonds between the nitrogen and oxygen atom. And this bond order is calculated by simple formula that bond order is equal to 1 half into number of electron in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electron in anti-bonding molecular orbital. So just we have seen in bonding molecular orbital 8 electrons present. Anti-bonding molecular orbital contains 1 electron. So 8 minus 1 divided by 2, that is 3.5. So we say that NO2 molecule contains 3.5 bonds. Means in that one sigma bond is present, one pi bond is present. Again there is one pi bond and fourth is the half pi bond. So here two sigma bonds, one full pi bond and one half pi bond is present and totally 3.5 bonds present. Now we see the molecular shows which magnetic property. So NO2 molecule shows paramagnetic property because in the molecular orbitals one electron is unpaired and because of that NO2 molecule shows paramagnetic property. I have given you assignment on this topic. You solve the assignment and submit it. For the assignment, you check the link of assignment in this video description.